This is a continuation of the field data collection using iPhone tutorial. In the last tutorial, we learned how to create an account on GIS Cloud and create a form that can be used to collect data in the field. In this tutorial, we'll talk about how to use the app on the iPhone to collect data. So on your iPhone, if you have installed the MDC, which is the mobile data collection of the GIS cloud, you should see this icon, GIS cloud icon, that you can use to start the app. And once you have the app started, you need to provide a username and the password. This is the same username password that you use to create your account online. Once you have entered the credentials, click login, tap on the login. So this will start the mobile data collection app. So as you can see that you are in the settings mode and you have the projects highlighted, and under the projects you can pull down the menu and you will see all the projects that you have created. Now again, remind you that these projects are different forms that you have created. So let's select cars so that we can see, select that project, and you can see that it has selected the cars project. Now we can go to the map or we can go to the form. Suppose, first of all, let's go to the map and see where we are. This will open and load the map, and you can always click the locate button to zoom into your current location. And as you can see that this is where I am right now, my house. That's where I'm recording it from. And you can always, let's say I want to collect data. There's a car parked here and I need to collect its information. I can go to the form, and this will bring up the form for me, and I am collecting GPS location, and I am within 162 meters accuracy. This is pretty high for indoors because I am sitting in a room, but if I was outside, this would be better accuracy. So now I can enter information about the color, make, and year. So let's say I enter information about the make, about color. It's white, and it's Toyota, and it was made in 1997. And as you can see, I can take a picture of the photograph. Of course, I'm not outside, so I'm gonna just take a photograph of probably just this keyboard. So let's assume that this is a car, and once I take the photograph, it gives me an option to retake it or use it. I click use. So it takes a while for it to so if I scroll down further, you can see that this is all the form has been completed. Now down below I have a button called send. Oh, it just updated the photograph that was taken, and you can take multiple photographs as needed. So once you have filled out the form, you can click the send button, and once you click send, it adds it to the queue for the points that are about to be sent. Now in case you are not in a Wi-Fi network or you don't have a data connection, this will sit in the queue until you are until the connection is available, and then it will send your data to the GIS cloud. So in a similar manner, as you can see that the form is empty again. If I go to map, um, um, again, when you go to a new place, you can navigate yourself using this map. It actually, you can zoom in and zoom out just like you will do in any map and find out where you are. And once you have a new point, you can again go to form and fill out the information and send it. So every time you collect a point, it is added to the GIS cloud database under your account. And once you have completed the survey, you can go back to your office and view all your points. So in the next tutorial, we'll go back to the computer and observe the points that just one point that we have collected. But in your case, you should probably go out and collect a few more points so that you have a few options to look at. So in the next tutorial, we'll talk about how to view the data, and how to download it.